Hi guys, in this video we will see how to repair disk partition in your Windows 11 and 10 system. If your disk partition is not working or corrupted, then you can easily repair it by applying CHK DSK scan. Your disk partition, if any one of your disk partition not working properly, not responding, it may be possibility of corrupted disk partition. You can easily repair them by applying CHK DSK scan. Go to Windows search, type CMD and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. Now in command prompt Windows, execute the command CHK DSK as shown on screen. CHK DSK C your system drive /F/R and /X. Now we will see what the meaning of this C, F, R and X. C is your system drive. C specifies the partition to scan, usually the system drive. Which partition you are going to scan is C drive, basically a system drive. F stands for fixes file system errors automatically. F for fixes file system errors automatically. The third one is R. R stands for locates bad sectors and recovers readable data. R denotes, and X forces the partition to dismount before the scan begins. Forces the partition to dismount before the scan begins. So all these stands for. So simply execute the command CHK DSK scan to repair any disk partition corrupted in your Windows 11 and 10 system. Simply copy it and paste it in command prompt Windows and press enter. That's all.